Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. I'm always on the lookout for ways to maximize my passive income, and earlier this year I came across the Donut app, which allows you to earn up to 50% APY on your balance. Yeah, you heard me right. Donut is a DeFi or decentralized finance app that uses blockchain technology to cut out the middleman like brokerages, exchanges, or banks so you can earn more with your investment. And to test this all out, I committed to a 6-month test to confirm the earnings potential, and the results are in. In April 2022, I added $110 to my Donut balance. As you can see, interest is earned in real time, and it's currently October, and my balance has grown by almost 3% in those 6 months. Now, if you notice, my current interest rate is at 9% from what Donut calls boosts. These are temporary boosts to your interest rate based on actions you take. For example, you can earn 5% APY boost for referring a friend. What's even better is these boosts compound. That means if you refer 10 friends at once, you could earn 50% APY on your balance during the boost period. Now, one of the other major benefits of Donut is that it acts very similar to a savings account. You're able to withdraw funds from your account at any time with no penalty. And this is a significant difference from other platforms that lock up your money. So all in all, I highly recommend looking into the Donut app. If you sign up with my link in the description, we both get a 5% APY boost. I hope you learned something, had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for other great videos, and I'll see you next time.